Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Sips by tea subscription unboxing. And this is for the month of January. Can't believe it's already the new year already. So you get a little card that talks about all your teas. I'll show that again at the end. And ooh, these are heavy. Looks like we got some latte mixes. Anytime they send individual packets like that, there are 4. This says it's a latte mix with lion's mane, and that is organic. I really do like lattes and matchas, so I probably will enjoy that. Cool. Also have some fillable bags for any loose leaf tea that you receive. I normally get at least 1, if not more, loose leaf teas, so I always get a mix. And then your box, if you join, would be different than mine because you do take a little quiz and you fill out what kind of teas you prefer. So it is custom to you. So here's the next one. This is French vanilla, also organic. And it has a smooth flavor to it. It says it's caffeine-free, acid-free, and it's a prebiotic. Very cool. And we have some tea from Stash. This is a holiday chai. Black tea. Has cinnamon, allspice, clove, ginger root, and natural gingerbread flavor. And it has rum flavor and nutmeg oil. I bet that one's delicious. And then the last one is my loose leaf tea. It's from David's Tea. Tulsi Tranquility, a fruity stress relief tea. This is also caffeine free. I generally get like a good mix of different caffeine levels. I bet I will like this tea as well because it has raspberries and strawberries, and I do like the fruity teas. So that's cool. And let's see, high caffeine, caffeine free, contains caffeine and caffeine free. So I normally do get a good mix. They also provide promo codes on there in case you want to order more from those companies. Typically you can find codes on there as well. So very, very cool. If you guys want to join, I'll put a code below, a link below for Sips By. And then I also have 2 other links in the description box. One's for a Coldest water bottle giveaway. The other one is a promo code in case you want to buy anything on their website. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.